Did you know people are making thousands of dollars every single month just by posting simple football shorts? Sounds crazy, right? Well, I've done it myself. In fact, I've earned over €10,000 through ad revenue and music royalties just from short videos about football. For example, one short I created in less than 2 hours pulled in more than €800. Not bad for something you can literally make while lying in bed. And here's the kicker. Unlike many other niches that fade with time, football never dies. Think about it. 10 years ago, it had a massive audience. 20 years ago, same thing. And today, it's still growing. Unless a meteor wipes out humanity, the love for football isn't going anywhere, which means this opportunity is still wide open for now. But here's the issue. There's barely a single good video on YouTube that actually explains how this works step by step. And the few that exist? They're usually made by people who've uploaded a couple of shorts and suddenly call themselves YouTube experts. Yeah, no thanks. That's why, in this video, I'm going to break everything down for you. From finding viral ideas and sourcing clips, to dealing with copyright, monetizing properly, and understanding RPMs and revenue. And the best part? You can apply these exact methods to any sport: basketball, NFL, baseball, whatever you're into. So, let's get started. The first step in creating a video like this is obvious. You need a strong idea. On my channel, I've posted tons of shorts that blew up, and honestly, it wasn't rocket science. If you're already a fan of football, basketball, or any sport you want to cover, you already know the biggest teams, the superstar players, and even the inside jokes fans love. Plus, you'll likely be among the first to hear breaking news. That puts you at a massive advantage because you can think exactly like a fan and instantly know what type of content they'll want to watch. For me, good ideas came naturally because I was constantly checking football updates on Twitter, reading news articles, and following players on Instagram. But here's the trick hardly anyone talks about. You need to train your algorithm. Here's what I mean. If your channel is about a certain niche, you should train the algorithms on other platforms to show you that niche nonstop. That's your hidden weapon. Follow every page, meme account, and highlight reel connected to your sport. Once you do that, ideas won't just come to you. They'll chase you down. All you'll have to do is turn those ideas into shorts. Now, while a good idea is crucial, it's not enough on its own. I've seen plenty of shorts with solid ideas flop because the creator didn't execute properly. That's where scripting comes in. Most people run to AI for scripts, but almost everyone uses it the wrong way. You have to train the AI to write in the style you want. Here's how. Grab a few transcripts from successful shorts in your niche, feed them into ChatGPT, and ask it to analyze the tone, pacing, and language. Then use that style for your own prompts. Now your scripts will sound more natural. Of course, AI isn't perfect. You'll still need to tweak it and add your personality. Don't think you can just copy-paste and strike gold. The magic comes when you mix good AI structure with your own humor and energy. All right, let's move on to one of the most important parts. Sourcing clips. This is where many people go wrong. Before you even think about where to find them, focus on what type of clips you actually need. If your footage is low quality, full of watermarks, or looks like it was filmed on a flip phone from 2003, people will click away instantly. You want clips that are clean, colorful, and framed properly. Now, where do you actually find clips? Simple. Social platforms are filled with them. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. Just search specific terms like Angry Ronaldo or Amazing Messi Pass, and you'll find what you need. Once you've got them, bring everything into your editing software and polish it up. Editing is where your short can either shine or flop. Add sound effects, background music, and little things like arrows or circles to highlight key moments. To make your brand stand out, pick a signature color for all your effects. Maybe all your arrows are blue, or your circles are yellow. That consistency makes your content recognizable. Here's another trick I use to boost swipe rate, which is super important for going viral. At the very start of my shorts, I add a quick combo of effects: a ding sound, a camera shutter effect, maybe a flashing arrow. This instantly grabs attention and makes your video stand out from the hundreds of generic shorts people are scrolling past. Now, let's talk money, because I know what you're thinking, but can I actually monetize this? And the answer is yes. Absolutely. There are 3 main ways to make money with this strategy. First, ad revenue. A lot of people wrongly believe that using clips means you can't monetize. But if you're combining multiple clips, adding voiceovers, editing them creatively, and making them transformative, you're good. Your RPM can range anywhere from 8 cents to 20 cents per thousand views, depending on your audience and the season. For example, December RPMs skyrocket because advertisers are spending big before the holidays. Second, music royalties. You can partner with music companies that pay you every time their track gets used in your short. Third, affiliate marketing. Add affiliate links related to your niche, like football jerseys, equipment, or even digital products. It's an easy way to build extra income streams alongside ads and royalties. So there you have it, the full roadmap to starting and growing a profitable shorts channel.